Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to make your photos pop without using complex software like Photoshop? Canva 2025 just made photo editing ridiculously easy, and today I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Stick with till the end and I will show you one secret pro feature that will change how you edit forever. First of all, head over to canva.com and now log in or create a free account using your email or Google and Facebook account. Once inside, click on create a design or click create button. Then choose any size you want. For this tutorial, we will use an Instagram post. So you can search here and select this one. You are ready to edit. Let's start with the basics. Click your image, then hit edit photos. Wait a minute. Now click uploads, then drag your image onto the canvas. Canva will automatically snap it into place and boom, you are ready to edit. Adjust the image if needed, like this. Okay. Now click your image, then hit edit photo from here. Here you can tweak brightness. Click adjust button. Here you can tweak brightness, temperature, tint, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, etc. Even blur if you are using Canva Pro, or click the auto adjust for this time. These sliders give you full control over the mood and tone of your photo, like this. Small changes equal to big difference. Just look at the transformation. Before and after. Next are filters. Click on the arrow icon, then go to filters, click see all. You will get tons of presets like that: fresco, flint, luna, etc. Choose one from here or keep pro. Want that cool Instagram aesthetic? Try retro. Find the retro filter from here. If you are using Canva Pro, or here it is. You can add background color. Go to design, then elements, then choose a shape like this, and that's it. Click the three dot icon, then click align to page or layer button, then click send to bank. That's it. Click the color. You can choose color from here. Here's where Canva gets powerful, the background remover. Just one click and your background's gone. Click on photo, then click PG remover. If you are using Canva Pro, you will see it. Super useful for thumbnails or product photos. Need to erase a person or object? Use the new magic eraser tool if you are using Canva Pro. Scroll down, click Magic Media. You can add something using AI. Just describe your words, then click Generate Images. Okay. Cooler, even cooler, try Magic Replace to swap objects with anything you type. Want a tree instead of a car? Just type in it. Add titles, quotes, or captions with Canvas text tools. There are thousands of fonts, modern handwritten, whole, bold, you name it. Click add a text box, then resize the text box like this and drag onto here and change your text. You can also add sticker shadows and shapes to decorate your image or make it social media ready. Click on elements, search for shadow. Now choose one from here like this and drag onto your canvas and resize it like this. Wow, this is cool. And you can change the text font from the fonts tab. Then change the color from here. Wait a minute. Select all, then click color. And that's it. And resize the text like that. Okay. Now, once you are happy with the edit, click the share button. Then click download. Choose PNG or JPG for image and you are done. You have just created a pro level image without any complicated software. Bonus tips before you go: use photo styles to apply your favorite edits to multiple images at once. Huge time saver. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a full Canva course. Until next time, happy editing.